In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to end a Google Meet and prevent people from rejoining. This is particularly useful if you're hosting a meeting and want a seamless, secure wrap-up. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open your browser and navigate to Google Meet. You can do this by simply typing Google Meet into your preferred search engine or by directly entering the URL in the address bar. Once you're there, you should see the main Google Meet interface, which provides you with a few options to get started with your meeting. Next, focus your attention on the New Meeting button. This is your gateway to starting a fresh meeting, and it's usually prominently displayed on the main page. Go ahead and click on it. There will be a drop-down menu with several options, but for this tutorial, we're going to select Start an Instant Meeting. This will create a meeting room instantly without any additional steps. Once your meeting room is up, you should see a video call screen where you can invite participants and begin your discussion. Keep in mind that the primary objective here is learning how to end the meeting efficiently, so we'll assume your gathering has now taken place and you're ready to conclude it. At the bottom of the screen you will see the control panel. Locate the button that indicates Leave Call, usually represented by a red telephone icon. This is typically in the center or slightly to the right of the control panel. Clicking on Leave Call is straightforward, but this step alone is not sufficient to end the meeting for everyone. To truly wrap up the session for everyone involved, there is a crucial step you must perform. After clicking Leave Call, you will be presented with an option that says End the call for everyone. This is the key to preventing others from staying in the virtual meeting space after you've exited. Click on this option to ensure that all participants are removed and unable to rejoin. It's important to note here that this function is specifically valuable in maintaining privacy and ensuring that your meeting truly concludes when intended. It prevents any unauthorized re-entry once the meeting is officially ended by the host. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently end your Google Meet session and ensure that everyone has exited the call. As you continue using Google Meet, remember that being in control of your meeting is just as essential as the meeting itself. This method keeps your virtual space secure and prevents any confusion from lingering attendees. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more practical tech tips.